We are here at the Santiago Festival. They called it Balamban Fiesta. People are eating everywhere, and there are loads of
Get one, get. Jordan, nag-dress kayo po, nag-dress. My friend.
everybody is looking for food, and we ordered some drinks, and we are still looking something to eat. I don't know exactly what to eat. I'm still waiting for my food to eat. What I ordered.
Sino ba?
I don't know what to eat. I'm still waiting for my mango drink. Mango overload shake.
Ay, Marcos, oh.
There's a program over there, but we need to eat first before we go there. Everybody's enjoying eating. I think it's going to rain. Hopefully it will not rain. This is the area where everybody wants to eat, but there is a section place where they are selling furnitures and they are selling clothes. But I haven't gone to that area first because we have to eat first. Then we go and check the program because mayor is here. Our mayor is here. This is the opening program of the fiesta here in our place. So I'm just waiting for my drink, my overload mango drink. Everybody is trying to find food to eat. I just love the mango. There is the mango that I ordered. It's always my favorite. That's always my favorite drink. The formal opening program of this fiesta here in the city where I live. So I'm just waiting for the overload mango. There is my overload mango. This is my favorite one. I often order it because it's my favorite shake. Everybody is happy eating. This is the eating area. We are going later to see the program. It is started, but we have to eat first. Because we are already hungry. It's dinner time. It's almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So we have to eat first. My grandchildren are eating there already, and I'm just waiting for my mango shake. I haven't ordered anything yet to eat, but this is my shake drink, my mango shake drink to order only. Everybody is happy. Everybody is trying to eat. Oh no, many people are order this kind of shake because it's really tasty. Because my daughter is in line. She is on queue waiting for the drinks. Most people are in red today because that is the color code of our mayor. So everybody is wearing, most people are wearing red. My daughter is in red, but she is on queue. And me is I'm in black. I hope it will not rain because everybody is happy, trying to get some food to eat. Everybody is happy to eat. Everybody is looking for food. It takes longer time waiting for the shake that we ordered. Oh dear, it's getting darker. It's getting darker. Everybody is happy. I feel happy too because I seldom go out, so it's so much fun for me. We came out with my grandchildren and ordered some food. So people are very happy. They are also enjoying their food. They are enjoying eating. And everybody is very happy. I'm enjoying to myself, even though I'm 69 years old, but I also go out to relax. It just takes time to wait for the drinks. I haven't found something to eat yet. It's just only the shake that I ordered. Everybody is looking for food to eat. We are all very happy. Oh, there. Where is my daughter now? I'm looking for her. Oh, there is my food. There is my drinks there. I have to go and see her now, and I have to get. Bye for now. I'll see you on the next video.